Fill me in 10.
Avu. Dakle, i ovo se napokon dogodilo. Andriana i Tin su se poljubili.
Kresnuli.
Oh, Balkan clickbait. Ko ljubi ko?
Ja sam silovan zapravo. O tom se radi.
Don't say that. I'm anti that sort of stuff. Svaku noć, djevojačko večer, vino nam kao voda teče, svatovi me čekaju izjutra. Daleko je, daleko je, daleko je sutra. Svaku noć, djevojačko večer, vino nam kao voda teče.
A ti valjalo bi jednu serenadu.
Tako je.
Opatija bajna biserovi našeg mora. U divnom skladu i lijepa zimnoću prekrasna kako zvane zora.
Yeah, that's all I understand.
Ima ga, ima ga.
Opatija boja.
Yes, we said it right.
Lađa švagara i moj ljubavni san i moj
Dobar je, naučit ćemo ga, do kraja dana će znat.
Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
Ok, dakle, svi restorani su totalno rezervirani i valjda ćemo naći neko mjesto za pojest. Vidi kako su slatki, gladni.
I'm so hungry.
Hangry. Ti si zvijezda ovog vloga. Vlog će se zvat Tin. Kako da sta lijepo uz plažu.
Reconnect.
Je li moguće da si zaboravila mobitel?
Andriana, Kuprišek.
On the car seat. Can you believe that? On the seat.
You were so excited to leave the car.
Ja zaboravim sve.
Where is the key?
I sold it.
Molim vas, voli Ljubi,
You have it?
naručiti.
Naručiti. Good. Naručiti. Bit of Italian.
Naručiti. Okay, yeah, I'll do it, yeah. It's close though, it's close by.
Učimo ga. Dobro je. Sve bolje i bolje. A vidi ovu šta kuća. Kosta. Izgleda dosta dobro. You don't have to move out of the picture. It is your meal.
Okay, well I'm not in it, right?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, hi.
Se non ti conosco, se non brillar de dor, se vreau același decor.
Glavu malu vevericu.
Nagu vevericu. Andriana rekla da ja jedem ko a bird.
Like a bird.
What film is it from? He eats like a bird. It's in a film.
Kako se zove ovo mjesto?
Mošćenička draga.
Kako su te lijepe oči sad na...
Tvoje oči te noći.
Look at Ines.
O, uživam.
Don't worry, Ines. Mi uživamo isto. Vidi iza.
Dakle, idemo na kupanje. Ovi dvoje jedu i dalje.
Čekaj, ima još ona
Andriana i ja
jedna,
ćemo
ona, tvoje oči plave, kosta će plave, kako to ide?
Tvoje oči plave, aj lelelej, aj lelelej. Gledaj kako smo lijepe oči. Look at this pretty face. Ok, jel ga možemo udat?
Čekaj.
Udat?
Chin.
This is too much
Attention.
Who do you want to marry, me or Archie?
Mislim da ću u crkvu. U svećenike. Svjećenik.
Not again.
Ends up being a priest.
I have a thing for priest.
No, they have a thing for you. Hey there, strip now. Oh my god, there's an ossa. Oh wow, let me zoom in. Hey, too fast. Big booty. You got a big booty. Lipe.
Da, dakle, proveli smo 3 sata u moru i smo htjeli izaći toliko da.
Keys to this world, left my high rise, looked back and said, oh, though I still believe that there's more to the sunrise.
Što sve ljudi naprave radi videa?
Yo, Andriana, you think I don't think about things.
Go back 'cause I'm meant to. I lost count of the days. I get caught in the high life, still caught in the high life. Sometimes when I let go.
Idemo u tvornicu čokolade. Dobro?
Lose track of the days. I get caught in the high life. No, can't quit to the blaze. Go back 'cause I'm meant to. I lose track of the days. I get caught in the high life, still caught in the high life.
Je li ovo raj ili šta? Tin već jede, Andriana radi. Hi! Čekaj. Ovo možemo probati sve. Jel možeš držati na mobitel? Ok. Yes.
Hvala.
Dakle,
What?
sva čokolada.
No, I'm eating chocolate.
Viki pozu. Victoria Beckham.
Oh my god.
Look at this.
You're cute.
This is good.
So, it's Tin's birthday. Tinov rođendan. Next week, a ne vidi se ništa, ali dobro.
It's a posh chocolate. Look.
Posh chocolate.
Posh chocolate for boss.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday, dear Tin.
Rin tin tin.
We call him Rin Tin Tin. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
My stretch.
Yes.
23.
Fuck years, I know.
Fucking
Oh, you're dickhead age.
da, dickhead age.
Everyone that's 23 is a dickhead.
Sometimes when I let go, I lose track of the days. I get caught in the high life. No, can't quit to the place.
No, I don't mind.
So, what did you learn in Croatian?
I learned hvala
Dobro.
and dobro. Dobar dan.
Good.
And also some other stuff that I can't remember now.